Zeppelin's in a good song. It's appropriate song for the Vikings coming in. Go Vikings! Dragons in service. Here comes the Vikings. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the Vikings. Vikings are being left behind. I hope they haven't lost traction. Pirates are moving fast. HMS Courage is taking a bit of... the Dragons breathing fire. Who's going to win this battle? The Pirates? The Vikings or the radio? Let's hear some noise! Last year the Vikings got bombed, if you recall. You probably don't recall because you weren't here. But they did, and the head of the Viking boat was burnt out. There's a long way to go in this battle, folks. I know Vikings are trying to get moving over there, but there's no action. They're huffing and they're puffing and they're trying to get something going. They're jumping up and down. There's nothing going on. Navy, HMAS Courage looks so cocky out here. Andy was right all along. Looks like the Navies are going to get there. Hello, there's a pirate. There's a rogue pirate behind me. Scooby is holding his ground well, folks. Look at Scooby. He's undeterred by the flour mortar. This is it. Who's doing better here, folks? What's your thoughts? Navy! The Navy going well now. What about the Pirates? They're hanging on, baby. Vikings can't get going, can't get in the rain. Can't get in the rain or the water. They are just sitting there waiting for something to happen and nothing is happening. These two boats are putting on a show. Putting on a show for you folks. Hopefully you're getting lots of good photos here. Another 5 minutes or so to go. Have you had a good look at these boats? You get to decide who takes out the cup. Who gets to win? It's you.
Viking crew, could you remain inside your boat, please, gain protection until the end of the battle? Could the Viking crew get back in their boat, please?
I fear HMAS Courage. Oh no, they were just getting. They are ready to go again. They are rolling. The fear was they were bogged, Commodore, but they're fine. They're still up and running. Vikings come down, unfortunately for the Vikings. It's Navy, give them a shout. Pirates, give them a shout.
Now, a round of applause, yell and scream for the Pirates. How do you judge that? Oh, we have to do it again, because it sounds even. Round of applause for the Navy. The judge has made his decision. It is incredibly close. But the winner of the 2023 Heliot Todd gun battle is the Pirates. 2 years in a row. What a battle. There was very little in it, but the Pirates are the winners. Congratulations.
Last chance to grab a photo there, folks. If you want to grab a photo, thank you very much for coming to the 2020.